Hi everyone, it's Silverwolf here, and today we're going to be trying to give the Furby Baby hiccups. It's a little trick that a fellow YouTuber told me a while back, so I thought I would try it out. I actually did give my Furby Baby hiccups when I was trying to do the other hidden trick with it to get it to sing all the songs, so we'll have another go today. So the shout-outs go to Hermit Crab and Stuff Wallace, and Jojo Siwa Fan. So we'll wake this little guy up.
Be sleepy.
Oh, he's going back to sleep again. I don't quite know why they have this strange, this fault where they keep going back to sleep. The adults and the babies have it. So you have to press down on his tongue, hold him upside down, give him a shake, wake him up again. There we go, he's happy. Okay, so let's have a go.
You need time. Good fun. Me love tickles. Big tickles. Mama. You tickle baby. Mama. Me like tickles. Oh, Mama, you rub tummy. Oh, Mama, me like tickles. That's good. You tickle me. Party. No, tickle again, please. Tummy ache.
And that's how you get him to hiccup. Unfortunately, you do have to give him tummy ache.
Mama, you rub tummy. That. Itchy.
So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. You just give them lots and lots and lots of tickles, and eventually they will hiccup. And it's really cute. And if you notice, when I tickled again, he didn't mind it so much. So it's not like you're being mean or anything like that. Anyway, that was that little trick I thought I would share with you guys. So I'll see you next time. As always, feel free to click on the boxes that come up below.
Please.
I hid the light. And he wants to go to sleep again. It's actually quite dark in here, so I don't think he's picking up on it. Anyway, this is Silverwolf signing off. See you next time.